Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It's a lovely little box, and it could be a card box because it's 3¼ by 3¼ by just ½ an inch, which is 8 by 8 by 1½ centimetres. So you're going to fit a 3 by 3 card in there with extra embellishment, and it's going to be fine. Little belly band on here, and it just opens and tucks like that. Super simple, just an easy box to make. So I'm going to show you how to make it, and it's part of my use it up challenge because this is the birthday Bonanza paper, but I didn't want birthday Bonanza. I wasn't feeling the toucans. I just wasn't. So, you know, we went for that. So you need a piece of cardstock that is 8 by 4¼ inches, which means you're going to get 2 from a sheet of cardstock. Brilliant. 20½ by 11 centimetres, and on the long side, score it at 3¼ 3¾ 7 and 7½ inches, which in metric is 8, 9½, 17½ and 19 centimetres. Then turn it round and score it at ½ an inch and at 3¾ of an inch, so that's 1½ and 9½ centimetres. Okay, so burnish all of these. So this is Grapefruit Grove, which is on the way out. I'm only filming this a few days ahead of where you're seeing it, but there is a good chance it's gone. So the in colours for 2018-2020 have gone. That's Lovely Lipstick, Grapefruit Grove, Pineapple Punch, Call Me Clover and Blueberry Bushel. So they are all retiring, so if they haven't already gone, they're going. I know the DSP has gone. The re-inkers tend to go very, very quickly. So, okay, so let me open this. Oh, I need to remind myself how to close it. Okay, because it's a bit like that. Okay, so let me get my snips. Brand new. Are these my new ones? No, because they've got duffed up. Where's my new ones? Also not my new ones. Possibly my new ones. Right, so over here, if you turn it this way round, there's a little square there, and then there are 2 here. So get rid completely of the corner one. Don't need that one. The rest, so somebody asked me this recently, and see if I can get close on it. Where do you cut? So there we go, that's focusing. So you can see this score line. This score line is a knobbly bit. You want to get rid of the knobbly bit. So when you're cutting a score line, you want to cut so that you can cut it away. And I hope you can see that. So that means that this rectangle, what is a rectangle here, is perfectly straight. So you're cutting the knobbly bit. That's such a technical term. You're cutting the knobbly bit away. Okay, let me zoom back out again. Yeah, I love the zoom. It just makes my camera, I said it again, bounce. I'm trying to say jump and bounce, I think. These are not the new scissors. They don't look like they're new, they look like they're a bit grubby. I wonder if somebody's come and helped themselves to my new scissors. Oh well. Yeah, they're definitely not new. Must be these then. Oh, it's not them either. And they've got a duffed up tip. Where have my new ones gone? How rude. I'm going to have to go through all my scissors. Okay. So, tiny little bits of glue here. Best of luck, Sam. You're going to be using tear and tape. You may well have seen that Snail is retiring. Please do not think we're not going to have glue in our new catalogue. That is all I'm saying. Right. So, I'm not saying any more than that. But of course, if you do love Snail, stock up on it. I'm seriously at this point thinking, I kind of feel I need it because I can get through 8 to 10 snails just on my customer thank you cards each month when I do lots of layering. So yeah, I'm seriously thinking, I might need to stock up on that. Okay, so I folded in all of, oh, Vivi. There we go. Folded in all those sides, and actually I've forgotten I need to round the corners on this one. I'll just get my head in the camera. Okay, because it's all going to tuck in just like that. There we go. Right, so the belly band, you just wrap it, and I'm going to start on what is the bottom. If I could get hold of it. Start on the bottom, gently press, try not to squish your box open, which is exactly what I've just done. Gently press and gently press. So just being quite gentle on all of that. Okay, and then some tape down here. Orange is not really a colour I'm a massive fan of. I don't really know why. I'm just not massively keen on it. So there's the top. There we go. And that belly band is going to slide quite nicely. And actually, you know what? I'm going to put this back on this one. There we go. So Daisy Lane. So Daisy Lane is carrying over. Daisy Delight retiring. But both the daisy punches are sticking around, so that's good. Oh, I need some white cardstock. Oh, I actually haven't got a scrap either. Full sheet. Let's just quickly slice some off. Right, so Daisy Lane, and I want the small daisy. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. Stamp that 3 times. And I brought in Cajun Craze. I don't know what this is going to look like. I hope really pretty. So there's that, and my Wink of Stella, because I want to make the colour bleed. So I showed you how to do this in Monday's video. Don't colour the centre. It doesn't like to stick, because we're going to layer these up. Might possibly have experienced that a few times myself, where I've just, without thinking, have coloured the centre of the flower and then tried to get it to stick together, and it's going, no, you put Wink of Stella and glitter and stuff on. And then, oh, I want Friend as well. That's not going to work there. I'm using the Label Me Fancy punch, and I need to get it on the side. So there's that one. And then both my daisies. Oops. And then very gently with a bone folder, just curl the edges of your flowers. And then both of them do keep hold of the centre. I almost lost a petal then. You can see it's just trying to leave. Oops. And where's my mini glue dots? So I'm going to stick a couple of those in the centre of this flower, and then position this one over the top but offset. There we go. And then these are retiring. They're on the retiring list at the moment. So I'm a little bit sad because I've loved using these, but having said that, they've been around a good 3 years. But yeah, these are the faceted gems, clear faceted gems and gold faceted gems. And yeah, they're both retiring. A bit sad. Grab them now because they're gorgeous. Right. It's that time. It's that time when you get very sad that things are leaving, but you're also very happy that there's new stuff coming. And you're like, oh, I don't know where my emotions ought to be. Okay. That can still move. Blue dot on the back there. And that's quite sweet. And like I say, you could fit a 3x3 card in there. And is that the side where it opens? I don't remember. But yeah, 3x3 card in there because it's 3 1/4 inches when it's finished. So 7.5 by 7.5 centimetre card is going to fit in no problem. 8x8. But lovely, charming. I think so anyway. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.